I'm super pumped up. We saved a ton of baby stuff. No way. No way. Are you serious?
It's showtime! Here we go. Checking the dumpsters. Here is a dumpster we're walking up to. See what we got. Woo! Look at them. Shriveled apples and milk.
It wasn't cold today, was it?
No, it wasn't, unfortunately. We're trying to see if there's like any chips or anything in here.
Any dry goods. I know there's a lot you can do with milk and things like that, but
we're kind of going a little further out, so this just would not last.
Very true. We do have a long trip planned for tonight, so hopefully it's going to be a long video. Grab you something to drink and enjoy the show. What you got there?
A non-fat probiotic drink, and of course this stuff has to be kept
refrigerated.
Yeah.
You know what would be nice? Some Baby Bell cheese. We haven't found that in a while.
No, we have not.
And little Kane has been asking about it. We gotta find that boy some more cheese.
Oh goodness, this is kind of curdled. All right, well, let's start to move on and see what we can find around in other dumpsters, shall we?
We shall. They're still here. The store's still open, but we must check. And if we get busted, well, sometimes that happens.
There's white bags, unfortunately. Out you go.
All right, here we go. What's in your dumpster? Is that a bag of dog food?
I don't know. No.
Oh, dang it.
It's a bag of trash, unfortunately.
That is pretty heavy. I'm gonna guess cold stuff, but I don't know. Let's look and see.
Oh, a retractable leash.
Nuh-uh.
Oh yeah.
All right.
It's retracted. Oh, I love these things.
What is that? Let's see.
Cinnamon.
Oh yeah, she does love them. She does indeed.
I like the cinnamon. Okay, and then we got sugar in there. This is a sticky thing. Some Dr. Pepper's diet.
Shoot, take them.
Yeah. Good thing we got wipes in the truck.
Okay, I'm gonna set that out so she can finish clearing it. Here's a little box to set stuff in. This one here has got weight as well. There's a soda pop. The sody pop right there. Here you go. I don't know. I know, I saw it, but I just assumed that it was an empty box, but we'll definitely explore that and find out for sure in just a moment. After we cross these couple of, this one maybe. No, that's a no. Okay.
Here, can you reach the Pepsi down there? That Pepsi's driving me nuts. Alright, so here we go. We got 7 Dr. Peppers out of there, and then I think I threw 2 in the back of the truck. I can't remember at this point.
Alrighty, let's find out about those Pepsis, yeah?
Oh, yes.
Aww.
Aw, darn.
Here, hold this.
Okay. My hands are sticky. Just to give you a warning.
That's fine.
Okay. What else is lurking in the trash?
That's kind of heavy spot now.
Oh! I hooked it.
Milk.
Chewy.
It's like a phone charger in there.
Looks like it was some of those little earbud thingies, but only there's
They've got
one
milk all
there.
over them. Oh no.
Oh no.
Look what you did.
I didn't do it, you did. Here, do you want this so you can film the dumpster while I'm cleaning the mess?
While you're cleaning up my mess, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Aw, I almost got excited.
Well, you got half, you know. Better half than
Here,
none,
Sharon.
right? That's funny.
Sharon.
Whoops, sorry.
Oh, that's funny, man. I was like, oh, cool.
Okay. We can officially cross that one off the list. Stacy did clean up her mess, in case you were wondering.
Yeah.
Good on you. All right, on to the next stop. See what we can get into. All right, let's see what they got today. Not really. It looks like about the same stuff, honestly.
Hey, look, there's more cat treats down there.
That whole box was cat treats, but it opened up. If you want to jump in there.
How hard is it to get out?
That ain't that bad. That looks nice too.
Yeah.
I'll probably get that.
What do you mean it ain't that bad to get out?
It's not that bad. There's a pile of stuff to climb on over there.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna get in there and not be able to get out. Watch. Don't the doors open on them?
Kinda.
This is kind of a hard dog.
Turn over and hang on your way down.
Oh, jeez. Hey, that was fun.
Give me that thing.
What, this? This one?
Yeah, that one's nice, right?
Here we go.
Dang, that thing looks crazy.
Broke. But that could be a solo item.
Is this one in bad shape, Stacy? That one looks nice too. It's not all messed up. Oh, is it broken too? Oh no.
No, it's fine.
Kind of sturdy. It's kind of dirty though, actually. Yeah, or should we get it or leave it?
Yeah, take it. Give me one.
Okay. There you go.
Okay, what am I gonna put them in?
I don't know, because you know we didn't bring a tote or a crate.
Oh.
You can put it in that playpen over there.
Where did I do it? Oh, I think I see some chocolate.
Here. All right, so we're just sitting here loading up some kitty treats, hoping that we didn't just lose another another file, because that's exactly what happened yesterday. The battery popped out and we lost the footage, but I think it was able to repair the file this time, I hope. So Stacy's just digging away.
I'm in my fun zone. I like this.
Yeah,
This is a big dumpster.
it is a big dumpster, huh? She's having fun. Figured I'd let her jump in and do some careful, do some digging herself, because I got all the fun yesterday.
That you did. Now it's my turn to dig around in here and see what's.
So we were really hoping that they were going to throw away some more stuff, but or and if they did, someone else got it. I'm not sure.
Have some alcohol, baby.
All right. What is that? Oh, I hate IPAs. I hate them. I hate them. Growing up,
Here's some Chardonnay.
okay.
Some more alcohol. What's IPA?
It's like an Indian pale ale or something like that. Here, you've already got it in your hand. You might as well pass it this way, yeah, or no?
Oh, okay. I was just reading it to see if it had alcohol in it.
Anyway, growing up as a kid, like, we used to watch a lot of wrestling. And, like, in our eyes, the baddest dude on the planet was Stone Cold Steve Austin. And, you know, he would chug, like, natural lights in the beer. He would, or in the ring. He would smash them together and just dump them down his gullet. And it was the coolest thing ever. But so he came out with his own beer, and it sucks. It's an IPA. It's like, it is like deadly strong. It's a strong beer, but
it says 6.8%.
yeah, they're strong. They're just not
Very good.
yeah, it's just not, to me, it's not really, you know, it's not like a traditional beer. It's not my favorite,
But it's free.
but we'll take it for free. You know, we host fight nights a lot of times at the house, and our family comes over, and it's just good to have some extra drinks in the fridge sometimes, so why not?
A lemon sour mix.
Lemon sour?
That sounds good, actually.
We'll try it out, huh? Oh. This is not the most effective method here, but the store's closed. It's late at night. We got time, so the important thing is we're actually grabbing stuff. So what kind of beer are those right there in that blue box?
Samuel Adams Boston Lager.
Give me those too, actually.
Oh dear. I don't want to, like,
I gotcha.
broken glass, dude. I'm grabbing whatever I can, man, on this stuff. I got big plans.
Give me that other beer box down there when you get a chance.
I'm gonna grab all of whatever we can get down here because, hey, what is wild lily thing? Dude, I'm grabbing those. Those sound kind of weird and good.
Okay. Got it. Whoa, careful there.
Slippery.
Dadgum.
It's a slightly sour ale. I like sour. Ouch.
I guess we're gonna do some drinking this weekend, huh?
Oh, Jesus.
Huh, that's kind of fun though. See, I didn't even see all these last night. I was so focused on the baby stuff, man.
Yeah. And then I come along and jump in and I'm like, here, have some alcohol.
Yeah.
Golly. I cannot stand up straight. You don't think I've been drinking. And I ain't had nothing. Bloody Mary morning elixir. Sounds like.
Alright, more booze. Booze and cat food. That's the story of tonight. But I'm happy with it. That's a lot of booze, man. Holy moly.
Some pina colada stuff down here. All natural ingredients.
I don't think those have alcohol in them, but you know, you throw a shot or two of tequila in there and you got yourself a margarita.
Or pina colada. There's this. Oh, all of that.
Okay.
There's a lot over here. Let's see what else I can find. Down this mix.
You know, this light really works well because you can change it from being bright to dim. So I can, you know, go like this where you're kind of far away. I can light you up pretty good.
Some kind of weird stuff.
What else? What else?
What is that?
Gotcha. Give me that Samuel Adams. I think that's decent beer.
No, I can see through.
That one had a bunch of broken ones in it.
I heard it. There's a margarita in it. Pina coladas that smell delicious.
I don't guess so.
Okay. I'm gonna need it back and climb out of here.
Yeah. You'll have to sacrifice it to get out, huh?
Shit, that's good. Better save some stuff.
This is insanity.
Sorry, I went blind there for a minute. Got it?
Yep, now I do. Okay. I guess that's probably enough booze, huh? That's not something we can really just go donate, you know?
You gonna make a bet?
Although I guess we could, right?
Honey ginger syrup.
They serve wine in church, so why can't we throw a couple of cases in the blessing box, huh? Little 12-year-olds riding over there to get them some candy bars on their bicycles.
Oh my gosh, falling off.
What's this? Yeah.
Hey, Mom!
Crash his bike into the ditch on the way home and get a DUI?
Dark horse wine.
Or is it DWI? I don't know. I don't know the difference.
A DHI.
A DH. What is that? What is DH?
Driving horse intoxicated.
Oh. Alright, are you ready?
I don't know. Pardon me for having some fun.
She's having fun.
Another one of those? Yes. Here's another strawberry daiquiri.
Okay.
This is like some different stuff, man. Thanks for letting me get in.
Yeah.
I was like, no, I'm not gonna get in. And then I was like, okay, forget it, I'm gonna get in. Great, now my butt's blocking on it.
Yeah, your butt's blocking everything.
Shut up.
No.
Moscow Mule.
Moscow mules are delicious.
Are they?
Yeah.
What's that honey ginger shows?
Somebody fed me a Moscow mule. I can't remember who. Alright.
You know what's cool?
Huh.
This is some tough stuff, dude.
Yeah, some
Nope,
thick bottles.
It's got some damage into it. Alright, I guess I'm gonna try and get out of here.
Okay.
Maybe.
I'm gonna go ahead and come over there and help you get out.
Oh, yeah, give me some water. Let's see what this is. Oh, that's like grapefruit. I can't do grapefruit. Okay. Oh dear.
Huh.
Wait, you can just open it? How am I getting out?
Well, come on.
Wait a minute. I think I need both of mine.
Am I gonna have to get in and help you out?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'll just stick to the side of the dumpster with
Go
all
ahead,
the
try
stuff I have. Ew, something's wet there.
That's where I soaked my shoes yesterday.
You butthole. Did your feet get sticky?
Mm-hmm.
Ew.
Alright.
Come on. Oh, I see a better way.
On that side?
See, it's dippy over here.
Okay.
See?
Oh yeah, you got it.
Put me down.
Come on.
What are you gonna do?
Just come on me. There we go. Alright, we got a couple of things to pick up over here. You got a bunch, look at the truck.
Oh,
The majority of it's
nice.
up here. We look like a bunch of dang drunks, man.
That has alcohol in it.
It actually has alcohol in it.
5.5.
Cool, man, good job. Yeah,
Have fun.
you might be able to get in over there.
Oh,
I tried to get Stacy to pull up close so that she couldn't even get out like this far, but she has a trouble with depth perception. She was gonna get out on my side, and then anyway, it worked out. All right, I'm super pumped up. We saved a ton of baby stuff. No way, no way. Are you serious? No way. Oh my gosh.
Cat, but that big bag there's dog.
No way.
Yeah.
All right.
There's another one. There's one.
No, there's not. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. Holy cow, it's been a while since we've had
What?
this kind of success, huh?
These are just kind of
Wow.
out here.
What are they?
Raw hides.
Wow.
People say leave because they no good, but look, there's another bag there.
I'm gonna go look on the other side. Wow. What a night, what a night. Make sure there's no raccoons in here.
What?
Make sure there's no raccoons. Looks like they dumped a couple of bags and then just threw the rest in here. Oh. Well, how about that, huh?
Heck yeah. Yeah. Cool.
Nice, man.
Cat food.
What a day, what a day. Awesome, awesome.
Oh, I was coming over here to pick that up.
That's all right, I got it. You know, it was one of those nights too where we weren't really feeling much like getting out of the house, and we just decided to get out and give it a shot, and it worked out. Stacy's picking out some rawhides.
I know, these are bad for dogs. I really do not give them to my dogs, but I'm just gonna grab them.
You know, you've heard horror stories about the rawhides, but then other people are like, I've given my dog rawhides for 10 years, and it's like just one of those things, you know.
Well, it's kind of like the whole chicken bone, the cooked chicken bone thing.
Right.
I feed our dogs chicken bones.
Yeah.
Not like a lot, but every now and then. I don't know.
Just one of those things, right?
Yep, I don't worry about it, and they're fine. Can't be paranoid on every little thing. Even us as people eat stuff that we're not supposed to. So.
Right. Stacy eats like the cushion from the couch, the stuffing.
Yeah, and I get constipated though so frequently.
I actually remember doing that as a kid. It's pretty gross.
Getting constipated from eating couch cushions?
I don't know about that, but I definitely ate some of it. I remember just sitting there picking it out as a kid, but I was a baby. Like I remember, I couldn't even talk. I actually remember quite a bit from when I was a little bitty guy. Okay, sweet, man. Good scores. Hopefully more to come. All right, here we go. Anything?
No. Nothing.
I'm not seeing any indicators at all, unfortunately.
Okay, nothing.
No?
Oh man. Alright, let's run up here and take a peek inside this dumpster. See what we see. I'm gonna look on that box over here. See if there's anything inside of it. Nope. Alrighty.
Oh my, what a mess. What a mess, what a mess. This one might be good, huh? She's going in. Let's see why. The suspense is killing me. What do you got?
Darn. I thought I had something here because I saw the Pop-Tart bags or boxes. I thought it was cool. A freaking bag full of Pop-Tart.
Oh, I see.
Oh, it is Pop-Tart.
Well, look at that.
It's mystery flavor. Pop-Tarts. So, that's Pop-Tarts. I'm gonna put these.
There's a tote right there in front of you.
Oh.
That I just emptied out for you.
Thanks. These are mystery flavor. I've never had mystery flavor Pop-Tarts before. It sounds kind of scary.
It's kind of nice, actually. I wonder if that works. That could be donated. I think there might be stuff over here too, Stacy.
Dried mangoes.
Ooh, nice. Yeah, I think this back right corner over here is going to be good to you.
Alright.
I'm hoping anyway.
Oh, okay.
It's a strong maybe anyway. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
Okay, that's all wet stuff that's already been torn into or ripped or something.
Okay.
Come on, boxes that you trying to bury me?
I'm trying to, yeah. Oh.
What are you? I was gonna rip it.
Well, dadgum. A couple of things anyway, I guess.
Oh, yeah. For sure.
Nothing else, we can go home and have beer and Pop-Tarts, huh?
Yeah.
Bud Light and mystery Pop-Tarts.
We could drink ourselves to freaking alcohol poisoning. Jesus. Okay.
Alright. Let's take a look at this, man. They really did a number on these things, man. That employee was an overachiever when they told him to get out there and destroy those couches. He gave it his all, didn't he? Crazy. All right, here we go. Look at all the totes. Holy moly.
Yeah, there's a lot of totes in here. There's some of these.
That's a nice little crate.
See these?
Yeah, those are nice. Here, stand on this.
Here, watch out. I'm just gonna climb on this.
Just gonna get in, huh?
Yeah, for a minute.
She's going in.
I get what I want.
What did you see anyway?
What's one of those Pampers?
Oh, you saw some Pampers, huh?
There you go. Oh, there's a lot in there.
A lot of Pampers.
Yeah, I see 3 packs so far. As long as I don't fall over backwards in a minute, dang it. I gotta move stuff out from underneath. There. Boy, that is all in my way. That was like a full walker, but the wheels are broken on it. Whoa, wrong move it. I'm going bye-bye. This is all I wanted, okay? The Pampers! They're splashers.
Push, 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 push. So she got her some Pampers and maybe an eBay item. I don't know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, last one of the night. What do we got? We got a train coming, that's for sure. So about to get pretty noisy. And so I'm not really seeing anything in here. This has a heavy spot to it. That's it, because it's full of water. All right. Let's go home and see what we got. All right, so that concludes that dive. We did pretty good. We got a ton of stuff. We're at home right now, so we're gonna turn around and take a look at it right now. Let's get unloaded here and take a closer look at our finds. It was a good night. It was definitely a good night. All right, you guys, we have everything kind of unloaded and laid out so we can take a closer look at it. Where to start? There's a lot. There's a ton. Let's go over here and look at the baby stuff first. So over here we have a few more bassinets. That's just an extra thing that Stacy grabbed. A little bit dirty, this one here, but not too bad. It'll clean up pretty good, and it's pretty nice. This one here, same thing. This one is a little bit wobbly. Probably just needs to be the bolts tightened up a little bit. We'll check and see. If it's no good, we'll just scrap it. So I thought we got 3 of these, but I guess we didn't, unless one blew out somewhere along the way. Just kidding, nothing blew out, but I guess we did only get 2. I just thought we had 3. Pretty nice. This one actually is pretty sturdy, and it is adjustable right here. You just turn this knob, turn the knob, it goes up or down. Really stinking handy. That thing is super nice. Super nice. We're definitely going to be keeping an eye on the targets. I told Stacy I wanted to rent a U-Haul and just go on a Target road trip. Just go hit as many as we could, because apparently all around these targets are doing the same thing. So it would be pretty cool, I think, you know, to go out there and just hit a ton of them. It'd be a blast. Be kind of expensive, not just renting the U-Haul, but the price of gas right now is insane. So although it would be fun and it's fun to talk about, it's fun to think about, probably won't happen. So I guess we'll start out down here. Lots of mixers, bunch of wine, a couple Bud Lights in there. Those are Stacy's favorite. We have a couple of these 6-packs in here. So there's 2 of those there. There's another one. There is, I think, 13 or 14 in this. It's stacked 2 high. And then there's 1, 2, 3 up here. Dogfish Head. That does not sound like a good beer, but I think I've had that and I think it's decent. Then over here we have 12 packs of these hard seltzers right here. Some hard seltzers are actually decent. Some of them not so much. Just depends on your taste, I guess. Got some more of these here. We have 2 12 packs of Samuel Adams. I'm not sure how many of those are going to be salvageable. Not sure. At least a couple for sure. I mean, it's still pretty heavy, but there are some broken ones in there for sure. Over here we have an entire tote of kitty treats. There's a ton of those in there, all different kinds. And you know, the funny thing about it is most of this stuff is A, not on recall, and B, still in date. Pretty crazy. Over here we have some prescription cat food. This is for cats with like urinary tract infections, apparently, something like that. There's 2 bags of those. And then Stacy, let's get that turned around, got herself a big bag of Whole Earth dog food. Pretty awesome. I'm guessing that's a good brand. It's funny, you never really do find cheap dog food in the trash. It's usually the top shelf stuff. Over here we have some, what is this, Diet Dr. Pepper. I'm not sure how many of those are in there, but there's several. Again, 3 more of those 6-packs. Set that down over here. And up here we have a bunch of more cat treats. So that's 2 totes full of kitty treats. And over here we got some little swimmers, well, little splashers, I guess is what they're calling them nowadays, but basically just waterproof Pampers. So that's really nice. So I guess that pretty much does it for tonight's haul, and an amazing haul it was. We were able to get out there and save a ton of stuff from the landfill, which is pretty darn cool. Some good baby stuff to donate, the Pampers, those things over there to donate. And I guess a lot of alcohol. That's pretty much it. Oh, the cat treats too, and of course the dog food and cat food. So definitely a wide variety of stuff. Very thankful to have been able to get out there and score decently and get back home safe with it. So from this point, the work continues. We have to process this stuff, clean this stuff, and get it where it needs to go. We got some good stuff. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank y'all so much for helping us do what we do. And it is because of you that we're able to get out here and do what we do. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you click the like button and also share it. The more views means the more we can get out there and do the salvaging and saving and donating. So if you want to support us, then just do that. Quick share, quick like, that's it. Maybe drop a comment if you feel like it. With all that being said, I'm going to get this stuff inside where we can get it cleaned up and get it to the right place. So I appreciate you guys watching, and we will be back with another video as soon as we can.